Hello crypto enthusiasts, welcome to another edition of our Crypto Layer 1 Layer 2 newsletter, where we dive deep into the dynamic world of digital currencies. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting your crypto journey, we are here to guide you through the twists and turns of the blockchain universe. Grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Ethereum price predictions as ETH hits 3-month high. Time to buy? ETH has been on a bit of a roller coaster, dropping by 2% in the last 24 hours to $1,792. This dip comes amid the broader market reaction to some pretty heavy news. Sam Bankman-Fried's conviction for fraud. Despite this, ETH is still hovering near a 3-month high, having risen by 11% in a fortnight and by 9% in a month. The technical indicators are giving us some mixed signals. The Relative Strength Index RSI has cooled off from over 70 to nearly 60, hinting at a decrease in buying pressure. But don't let that dampen your spirits just yet. The 30-day average is inching closer to the 200-day average, and if these two lines cross, we could be looking at a breakout moment for ETH. The support levels are also climbing, suggesting that this dip might just be a small bump in the road. The recent news of Bankman-Fried's conviction has shaken investor confidence a bit, but Ethereum's fundamentals are still as solid as ever. With its dominant position in the DeFi sector, recent adoption news, and deflationary tokenomics, ETH has been net deflationary since the merge. That's right, more ETH is being burned than issued. So, what's the forecast? Ethereum's price could very well bounce back to $1,800 in the coming weeks. And who knows, maybe even hit $1,900 or $2,000 by the end of the year. And if 2024 brings us Bitcoin ETF approvals, we might just see ETH take off to new heights. Remember to follow our newsletter if you are enjoying our content, and do spread the joy, as the first 10 members who get 10 referrals will receive a free Bitcoin Millionaire mug. The first 5,000 people to subscribe to our free newsletter will also receive limited edition NFTs that will provide free lifetime access to our members area and newsletter when we create premium features. Get your friends and family on board before it's too late. The NFTs will begin distribution once the newsletter hits 5,000 members. Until next time, Crypto Explorers. As we wrap up this edition, we want to thank you for being an integral part of our community. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is as vast as it is thrilling, and we are honored to be your compass in this digital frontier. Stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay awesome. See you in the next edition. Keep hodling and shining.